below you inferior freshmen at the bottom of the social pyramid. Welcome to Chula! Aren't you excited to finally start your college years? Well, college can be a great experience if you have friends.
So, to save you from being a social recluse or an alien sitting at the back of the classroom, we're going to give you tips on how to blend in various cliques in Chula.
We got a red light, pornographic dance fight, systematic, honey, but we got no money. Our hair is perfect while we're all getting shit wrecked. It's autumn.
I love going to Quezon.
Oh, and
Hello, my friends. It took me a couple of days to gather up the courage to come talk to you. Have you seen this new Pearson textbook? It's 185 grams of paper directly imported from Denmark. Look at that. So soft, tender. Does it turn you on? Turns me on, my friend. I think we should grab some lunch together sometime, talk about the papergrams in this book.
if you can't fit in with the nerds, try fitting in with the gym freaks.
Man, check it out, man. Got your white beater, $99, like, you know? Wow. Bro.
I was bench pressing 139 kgs, man. Chicks checking me out.
I just did like 5,000 pull-ups, man. Whoa, you need some more protein in you, son.
But if you don't fit into any of these groups, well, there's always the cool people who made this video that might take you in if you're fascinating enough. See you around on campus.